Johnnie raised up on a May morning, called for water to wash his hands. Says, "Gae lairds to me, my twa grey dogs, that lie bound in iron bands, that lie bound in iron bands." Van Johnnie's mother, she heard o' this, her hands for dule she wrang, saying, "Johnnie, for your venison, to the greenwoods didna gang, to the greenwoods didna gang." But he has ta'en his guid ben bow and his arrows one by one, and he's awa to the greenwoods gaen, to ding the dundeer doon, to ding the dundeer doon. Johnnie shot, and the dundeer laughed, and he winded her on the side, and atween the water and the woods, the grey dogs laid their pride, the grey dogs laid their pride. They ate sae much o' the venison, and they drank sae much o' the bleed, that Johnnie and his twa grey dogs fell asleep gin they were deed, fell asleep gin they were deed. Now by there came a silly old man, and an ill death may he die, and he's awa to Esselmont, the 7 foresters for to see, the 7 foresters for to see. As I come in by Money Musk, and doon among yon scrogs, the bonniest youth that e'er I saw was sleeping atween twa dogs, was sleeping atween twa dogs. The buttons that were on his sleeves were o' the gaed sae guid, and the twa dogs that he's lay atween, their mouths were dyed wi' bleed, their mouths were dyed wi' bleed. Then out and spak the first forester, he was heedsman o'er them all. "Gin this be Jock o' Braidiseley, then unto him we'll draw, then unto him we'll draw." The first shot that the foresters fired, they winded him on the knee, and the knee shot that the foresters fired, his heart's bleed blint his ee, his heart's bleed blint his ee. Then Johnnie raised fae out o' his sleep, and an angry man was he. Says, "Ye make to walk in me fae my sleep, for my heart's bleed blinds my ee, my heart's bleed blinds my ee." He's pet his back against an ache, and his feet against a sting, and he has fired at the 7 o' them. He's killed them all but ane. He's killed them all but ane. He's broken far of this man's ribs, his arm and his collar bane, and he's put him back upon his horse, to carry the tidings hame, to carry the tidings hame. Now Johnnie's good bent bow is broke, and his twa great dogs are slain, and his body lies in Money Musk, and his hunting days are dane. His hunting days are dane.